Children, this is an overview of pronoun and its kinds. This is the rule sheet. And this is your exercise classroom assignment 29. Let's start with part A. Children, this is part A. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those means demonstrative pronouns. First question is, did you drop dash pen? No, dash was not mine. So what will be the answer? Did you drop this pen? No, that was not mine. Second is, hello, is dash you Jim? So what will be the answer here? Hello, is that you Jim? Why it is so? Because the subject is singular. Third is, dash mangoes kept at the table look riper than dash which are in my hands. So what will be here? Those mangoes kept in that table, at that table, look riper than these which are in my hands. The things which are far from us, we use those for that, and that is nearer to us, that we use these for that, and the things are plural here. Fourth question is, dash present verb in favor of the change. So again we have past tense and we will use those present were in the favor of change. This is exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns. First question is, dash won the lottery. What will be here? Who won the lottery? Second is, by dash are you taught English? By whom are you taught English? Third is, dash shoes are you wearing? What will be the answer? Whose shoes are you wearing? Fourth is, dash is your name. I know everybody knows the answer, that what is your name? Fifth is, dash is your favorite color, blue, green, red or yellow. So what will be the answer? Which is your favorite color? Sixth is, dash do you prefer tea or coffee? What will be the answer? What do you prefer, tea or coffee? Part C. Fill in the blanks with suitable indefinite pronouns. First is, it's pity that dash helped him, that nobody helped him. Second is, it's very dark here, I cannot see anything. Yes, because it's a negative sentence. Dash is at the door. What will be the answer? Somebody is at the door. I think dash is burning nearby. What will be the answer? I think something is burning nearby. Because here we are talking in general. And whenever we are talking in general, we use something. Let's start part D. Fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. I have a friend dash father owns a taxi. I have a friend whose father owns a taxi. Second is, where is the magazine dash arrived yesterday? What will be the answer? that arrived yesterday, because we use who for person and that for thing. So here we are talking about magazine. We will use that, not who. Third is, it is I dash am at fault. What will be the answer? With person we use who. So it is I who am at fault. Fourth is, God save the man about dash you are making such comments. God save the man about whom you are making such comments. Fifth question is, an atlas is a book dash contains maps. What will be the answer? Which contains maps? Because we will not use who for things, who is for person, and which is for things. So here we are talking about a book, that is why we will use which here. Let's start part E. Join the following sentences using who, whom, whose, which, that. You may have to make some other changes too. The first question is, Mother, this is the girl. Her father is a police inspector. We will join these two sentences with the help of whose. So what will be the answer? Mother, this is the girl whose father is a police inspector. Second question is, do you have a book? It has all the answers. So we will join these two sentences with the help of which or that, because book is a thing, so we can use that or which both. Do you have a book which has all the answers? Third question is, here is the book you had ordered for it. So again we can make the sentence, or we can join these two sentences with the help of that or which. The answer is, here is the book that you had ordered. The fourth question is, she sat on a chair. One of its legs was broken. So we will join these two sentences with the help of which. As I've already told you that when we are talking about a thing, we will use which or that. So the answer will be, she sat on a chair, one leg of which was broken. Let's do part F. Rewrite the following sentences correctly. First is, God helps those which help themselves. So I know you found the mistake in it, that whenever we are talking about a person, we will not use which. What will be here? God helps those who help themselves. Yes. Second question is, the match who was to be played today has been cancelled. So here we are talking about the match and we cannot use who. So what will be the answer? The match which was to be played today has been cancelled. Third question is, the doctor for which who you are waiting is on leave today. So here we are talking about doctor, but here the word which has been used, which is wrong. So what will be the answer? The doctor for whom you are waiting is on leave today. Part G. Underline the relative pronouns and circle their antecedents in the following sentences. So children, as I have explained you that what are antecedents, antecedents are the noun to which a relative pronoun refers. So we have to circle those antecedents. First question is, where is the purse that I gave you? The relative pronoun is that and the antecedent is the purse. Yes. Second question is, name a book which is written by Vikram Seth. So, which is the relative pronoun here? Which. And the antecedent is a book. Third question is, the principal will honor the student who tops the school. The relative pronoun is who and the antecedent for that relative pronoun is the student. Fourth question is, Rajesh, whose essay was declared the best, is a very talented writer. So, what is the relative pronoun here? Whose. And the antecedent for whose is Rajesh.